A paradoxical exploration. The contradictory nature of scientific inquiry abstract. This thesis aims to explore and examine the paradoxical aspects inherent in the scientific method, highlighting the contradictory nature of scientific inquiry. While science has long been regarded as an objective and rational pursuit of knowledge, it is not immune to internal inconsistencies and self-contradictions. This thesis investigates the inherent limitations, biases, and contradictions within the scientific framework, shedding light on the complexities that arise when attempting to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Introduction. Science is often heralded as an unbiased and objective method of understanding the universe. However, a closer examination reveals that science is not immune to contradictions within its own framework. This thesis seeks to delve into the paradoxical nature of scientific inquiry, acknowledging that it is not a flawless and infallible system. By critically analyzing the limitations, biases, and inconsistencies inherent in scientific practices, this thesis aims to stimulate a broader discussion on the nature of scientific knowledge. Methodology. To unravel the contradictory nature of scientific inquiry, this study employs a multidisciplinary approach, drawing from philosophy of science, sociology of scientific knowledge, and critical analysis of scientific literature. A comprehensive review of existing literature and case studies will be conducted to identify instances where scientific findings, methodologies, or theories have contradicted one another. The analysis will consider factors such as funding biases, publication pressures, paradigm shifts, and the limitations of human perception and cognition. Results and discussion. The investigation uncovers several areas of contradiction within scientific inquiry. Firstly, the existence of conflicting scientific theories and paradigms reveals inherent contradictions within the scientific community itself. Additionally, the influence of biases, such as funding sources or personal beliefs, can introduce contradictory findings or hinder the acceptance of valid evidence. Furthermore, the inherent limitations of human perception and cognition introduce subjectivity and potential inconsistencies in scientific observations and interpretations. Furthermore, the scientific method itself, while a robust and systematic approach, can lead to contradictions. For example, the reliance on reductionism, which aims to understand complex phenomena by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts, can overlook the intricate interconnectedness of natural systems. Similarly, the reliance on statistical inference introduces uncertainty and potential contradictions, as statistical models are limited by assumptions and simplifications. Conclusion. This thesis presents a comprehensive exploration of the paradoxical nature of scientific inquiry. By acknowledging and critically analyzing the limitations, biases, and contradictions within the scientific framework, we can develop a more nuanced understanding of scientific knowledge. It is crucial to embrace a spirit of open-mindedness and skepticism, continuously questioning and reassessing scientific theories and methodologies. By doing so, we can promote a more robust and self-correcting scientific enterprise, one that is better equipped to confront its own contradictions and further our understanding of the natural world.